This 2023 Thor Motor Coach Omni XG32 is a Super C RV. It is located in Pasco, Washington, 99301 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Pasco. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Thor Motor Coach and features a black Diamond 2 interior, sleeps 5, slide-out, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2023 Thor Motor Coach Omni XG32 is built on a Ford F550 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.